Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Curlyzhedvlog, and for today's video, I will show you how to do this heart earrings crochet. Here are the materials: 24/7 cotton yarns, 2.5mm hook, scissors, and yarn needle. Let's begin. First step, make a magic ring. Next, chain 3. Next, 3 treble crochet. Next, 3 double crochet. Next step, chain 1 and 1 treble crochet. Again, chain 1 and make 3 double crochet. Next is 3 treble crochet. Next, chain 2. Next, pull the yarn ends to close the magic ring. Next is slip stitch on the magic ring. Next, cut and pull the yarn ends to make it tight. Secure the excess yarn by tying them together twice. cut the excess yarn. Repeat all the steps to make the other pair. And now we're going to assemble our heart earrings. We have here earring hooks, jump rings, we also need some tools like plies and jump ring opener. First, get your jump ring and open it with your plies and jump ring opener. Next, insert the jump ring in any of the stitch of the heart. Next, close the jump ring. Next, open another jump ring. Insert the first jump ring as well as the earring hook. Close it using a plies and a jump ring opener. Repeat the steps to assemble the other pair. This is the final look. I hope you like this tutorial. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video. Click also the bell button to notify you if I have new uploads. If you have question and any suggestion, please leave a comment on the comment section below. Thank you and see you on my next tutorial. Bye!